I have my ingredients ready. Peanut butter there, and I have the butter. You can also use margarine, and I have the hufu meal ready, and the cooking stick, tablespoon, the pot, and cold water. So I'm all set. So what I normally do, I mix cold water with the meal. So just pour some water and start mixing it up. I think it's a bit too thick, so I'm going to need some more water in there. So just pour it, because you don't want to run the risk of getting lumps in your porridge, so you want to mix it up thoroughly. And then I boil some water. You can also use the pot to boil the water, whichever way you do it. So pour the cold water there, and now you mix everything, and you want to stir thoroughly as you mix to avoid lumpy porridge. So the stirring has to be right. And so I can see my porridge looks a bit too thick there. I think I might need a bit more water. So don't be afraid to pour a bit more water just to get it right. And I can also see a couple of lumps. So I'm going to use my musika to get rid of the lumps. That's why this comes in handy. So I've done the job, and you mix it up, you start stirring. Now it's starting to erupt. I call it erupt. I like to describe it as an eruption like the volcano. And I stir a bit more just to make sure the porridge is mixed thoroughly. And as you can see, the eruption, it's happening, and it's all nice and smooth. I'm winning. Looks like I'm winning. Again, mix. So there is a lot of stirring that happens when you're cooking the porridge. It's just to get the mixture right, because you want it nice and smooth. And now I'm going to add the butter. There we go. A bit of salt. And then I stir, mix everything up. And you want to make sure you've got enough heat as well, because porridge can also become bodza. You don't want bodza, which just means it's underdone. Now I'm adding the peanut butter, and there goes. Make sure you get everything in there, and then you stir again. You mix everything thoroughly, and there you go. You've got your nice brownish looking porridge. It's got a bit of coloring, as you can see, and it's looking nice and smooth. And there I leave it to simmer for a bit. Again, you stir, make sure everything is mixed up thoroughly. Turn down the heat a little bit, getting ready for that final finishing touch. And then it's ready. Thank you for watching. If you enjoy my videos, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And of course, you add sugar. You can eat it without sugar. It still tastes nice. I'll see you in the next video. Take care.